tell you a story about this guy, right?
What's up?
Let me tell you what he did right here. Come here.
What you do?
This guy
What
right
you do?
here.
What you do? What happened?
He played me like I was. He did me bogus. I took the brother some juices from our juice bar, which we won 3 awards for the best juice bar in Michigan, by the way.
Okay.
That man asked me with something in it.
What's something?
When was this?
Yeah, when I brought.
Well, that mean it was good. If it was
Oh yeah, because I wanted to know was it some
That was wild, wasn't that? Like, wasn't that stereotype? That's something that a different ethnicity supposed to ask somebody, right?
that is,
No, because I know Drink God, so I just wanted to make sure it wasn't that. That's all it was.
But you knew me a long time though. You should know drink God don't mean I drink lean. Drink God mean I sold it.
Okay, you can't get high on supply.
You was selling juices, boy. You all